This is the Bissell Crosswave. It vacuums and mops all in one.
Wow. All right, show us how it works.
Okay, turn this little knob and you get your cord off.
Okay, so we got to plug that in somewhere. We just need a plug. Uh-oh. Just got to move a whole bunch of stuff. She found one.
Don't tape that.
Nice
Especially
thought.
my ass in the air.
That was a good one. All right, so now, what about the water? So
This is where you put the water in the cleaner.
Okay, hang on. We gotta.
That's the reservoir.
All right, so this part here is pushed down into that hole there, right?
Like that. You push it in until it snaps.
All right, now how do you get it out? You just pull it?
Just pull it up.
Okay, so you kind of put your foot on here.
Yeah,
and then
just
pull
to
it out.
stabilize it.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some water in there?
And some cleaning fluid.
Okay, let's check that out. All right, so what are we doing here? We have to untwist the head. This is the thing that goes on
We're gonna
top.
fill it with water to there,
Okay,
and then the formula goes to there.
okay. And what is the formula?
Multi.
That's the multi-surface Bissell formula. So she fills it up with water.
There's a little bit left, so I got to get the bubbles out.
Oh, okay. So you probably don't have to put as much of it. Okay, good. Now we got to put this in here, right? So this comes off. Yeah, oh, you use that.
Yeah, it's got a little funnel on it.
Oh, smart.
Makes it easy.
Okay. I don't know. Here we go. Putting it in. Putting it in. Good. Filling her up. That's probably enough, right?
No, I do too.
Oh, two of those?
Yeah.
Oh. Another shot.
Yeah.
So where can you get this stuff? Like, can you get this on Amazon?
Yes, I bought the CrossWave on Amazon, and I buy my supplies on Amazon.
Oh, okay. So you bought the Bissell on Amazon, and you buy this on Amazon also.
Yep.
And how much does this cost?
Oh, I'd have to look it up. Less than $16, I'm guessing.
And how long does it last?
Well, I've only used about half of it, and I've had it about 6 months.
Okay, this has a little thing on top. It's got like an aerator. And you just tighten that down. You want to make sure it's good and tight so it doesn't squirt.
I didn't tighten it once, and it leaked out.
Oh, gosh. All right, let's go put her back in. Almost tripped and broke my neck. All right, so here she goes. She's putting her in, snapping her down. Bam, done. Now what do we do?
Put her foot here to pull it back.
Okay.
Push this on.
Okay.
Pull this trigger. That will pull the juice string.
Right here?
Yeah.
Go ahead, do a pull. Do I see any water come through or it doesn't? Oh, yeah. And where's the trigger at? I don't see it. Oh, the trigger's right here. All right, so the trigger's underneath here. Okay, I see now. And it just pops, and then to push it forward, you just do that. And to pop
just hold
it,
your foot on it, and it brings it back.
so you just go like this, and that releases it. And you pop it forward, and it just stays there?
Because it swivels,
Oh, I see.
you got to make sure you
So you got to get it, you got to get it straight.
Then, when you're done, you push this button here,
Okay.
pull this out.
Oh, wow. And there's the dirty water. So we have to, let's show me how you clean that.
Okay, I take it outside.
You don't do it in the sink?
No, I do it in the hose.
Oh, okay.
With the hose.
Because that's important. People need to know
There
how
might be hair in it,
to... Ew, hair. Yikes.
and I don't want hair down the sink.
Okay, I get it. Here we go. Apparently we need some hose.
I haven't even wanted to replace this. I'm going to put this on the side of the house.
Is it turned on or do we have to turn
You
it
don't
on?
have to turn it on, but I move it.
Oh, okay.
Get the kinks out first.
Get the kinks out for God's sake. I hate when the hoses do that.
Poop bags gotta go out. Jeez, I have-
Whoa, got a little water squirt now. Gotta fix
Yeah,
that.
I need a washer. Okay, so I just pull this off,
Okay,
dump that out.
yep. Then that's got like some type of filter system in it, or?
Yep, there's a filter on it.
Okay, does that come out too, or?
No, I just squirt it.
Okay. Just like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's cleaned up. Let's take a look at it. It's got some hair on it. Look at that.
And I do the same with this.
All right, so it's got like some. All right. And then that just sets back in there?
Yeah, then you just
I think it goes the other way.
put it back in.
Ooh, looks, it's got to get smushed down a little bit more.
Oh, that's okay.
That's
There
it,
we go.
right there. Okay, got to turn our water off. That, we got to get maybe a new hose.
Doesn't blow
Okay,
out
let's
the
take a
door.
look at it now. Tell me about it a little bit more.
Okay, so now we're just gonna go put this back in
Okay,
for the next time we work.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Ooh, I hear thunder. Clean our feet.
And the floor is almost dry.
All right, let's take a look and see where you're putting this thing now.
See, if you look back here,
Oh yeah, you
almost
can
dry.
see it. All right, so we got to get this back in here. Wait, before we put it in, should we pull that dirt out of there?
sure.
So that we get. Oh, look, there's more. Do we need to squirt that?
We can.
All right, there we go. I think it's ready.
Then you just stick it and pop it in.
Oh, that's ready to go. All right, now what about the head itself? How's that work? Does that have some kind of rollers on it?
Yes, I have different rollers that I can use.
Let's take a look.
I don't remember how to pop it off.
Does it come off?
Yeah, it does. I just don't remember how.
Do you have to pull this?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, we got to clean that thing, don't we?
Yeah.
So it definitely gets glooped up here. That comes out too.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, should we go ahead and take that outside and squirt it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do that. I'm making you do all kinds of work, sorry. But you're going to be a star. Denise
I already
Lehman.
have my cooking online.
Yeah, that's true. We got the cooking, COVID cooking, and we got the Bissell.
Two of these, two of the Bissells, and there's been others, I think.
Here, I'll go ahead and turn it on. You can. Ready? So that is kind of gunky. You gotta, I guess, after a couple of runs, you
Yeah.
gotta squirt that thing out.
I don't know.
A little bit of maintenance. So that one's looking kind of good. We might run a. Oh, she's going for the hard squirt. Oh shit!
You might want to get back.
Now we're getting. Now you're getting it. Denise, look at me when you do it. Go do it again. Ah! All right,
My
cool.
watch is waterproof.
Now this is where we really got to clean her up.
This I can soak in the sink and soap.
Yeah. But that thing gets pretty dirty. So would you say you have to clean it every other wash? Or
Yeah, I
every
usually do every other time I use it. And I have other. What's nice is this comes with a nice stand to set it on,
Uh-huh.
and it's got things for these to set on.
Oh wow, so you can pull those out and let them dry.
And I've got I bought 4 extras.
So this one here, what
That's-
would you do? You would just squeeze it out and just let it dry off, and then
I'll go
Oh.
put it in the stand.
put it in the stand. You put one of the dry ones back in it.
No, I'd leave it off.
Oh, you would? Until you're ready
Until
to
I'm
do
ready
it.
to use it again.
Okay. So let's turn this off. Wait for me because I gotta come in and. Okay, so here's our stand.
Now we put
So we
that
put
in
the-
there to dry.
We put the wet one in and we get the.
Wet.
All right, so let's take a look at this. So show me the end of it. So that end there. Okay, so
This is Bissell.
okay, it's Bissell. Now where's it? How's it go in?
It goes in the other thing.
Oh, okay, let's do that. So you put it in. You put it in the machine,
Then put this back
and
on
then.
top.
Okay, so now let's look at this. Oh, wait a minute. Should we do some cleanup?
Yes, I'll get a wet paper towel.
Oh, we got to do that. We got to do some little more clean.
Oops.
So these things, do they turn or? Oh my gosh. Should we take it outside and squirt it?
Yeah. Unplug it.
Okay. I guess we just wrap the plug up. And then,
I got it.
so you turn that up. This thing goes like this and goes like that. And she does it crisscrossy. That's the best way to do it so it doesn't get all tangled. As long as you don't drop it.
I'm doing it left-handed.
Damn it, you're doing it good.
We were raised on doing Kirby vacuum cords like this.
I know.
Don't you
Our whole
remember?
life is vacuum cleaners. All right, so let's take, we're going to take that out. We're going to do a little squirtage, which means we got to unravel the hose again. Oh, shit.
No, we don't.
We don't?
As long as you don't get the hose wet, we're all right.
All right, so I'll hold it, and then you can squirt it. Kind of hold it like this.
They even recommend you do this.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to hold it like this. I'll get it over here. Or should I put it on the grass?
No, just leave it there.
You pull it back a little bit so we don't get dirt on us.
There we go. Now lift it up so that it flows out this way.
Oh, this way? Okay.
Yeah. Just
Oh, I
lift-
see what
just
you're
lift-
doing.
Yeah.
All right, that looks good.
I'm going to do a little jet
Okay.
in these corners.
Get her up. Hit that corner hard. What do you think?
Looks good.
All right, I think we're good.
Yep.
Ooh, there's a big chunk of something on there.
Pull it off.
All right. Okay. Now we just got to dry it off a little bit. Should we get a paper towel or?
I've got one right in the door. I dry one.
Okay, cool. I think we're doing a great job on this. We got it all cleaned up. We got it ready to go. Now it's going to really do some cleaning. Right now the question is, how do we put that thing back in? So let's get over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it this way. Can I do it like that?
Yeah.
And then that way we can get a better idea of how we're gonna do it. All right, so how does it go in?
Okay.
Oh, I see. So this top part is up and you smush it.
Oops, I got to put it in here first.
Okay, so
See?
it goes in there first. So let's take a look at that hole. So that's the hole that goes into that whole thing over there.
Yeah, and you can see it fits.
Okay. And then this, you line it up. Line it up. And just
Pop
smush
it
it
in.
in. That's it.
Yep.
And then you got to put your top on. Now, how's that work?
See? These.
Oh, okay. So let's take a look at
I
it.
got that.
So it's this thing here and this thing here. So you got to curve them in there.
Yeah.
So we got to see the curve. Oh, yeah, there you go. Now you got it. All right, let's see that again. We pop it like this. Right down in there is the two things. It comes out, it slips in, just like that. And let me show them because I missed it. So it slips in like that, and then you just pop it down. It's done.
Yep.
All right, let's do some more cleaning. Should we do some more cleaning of the?
The housekeeper will be here tomorrow.
Oh, the housekeeper's coming tomorrow. So anyway, here's the information on this thing. Here's all
The
the.
Bissell Crosswave. They have one for if you have pets, a pet Crosswave. They have one that is cordless.
What do you clean your pet with it?
No, if you have pets and a lot of dog hair.
So what is this? How come there's two things on this?
One is for rugs, one is for hardwood floors.
Okay, let's flip it over. So one is for rugs, one's for we did the hardwood floor. So you can actually do your rug. Now, does water come out when you do the rug?
Yep.
Wow, so it does it like.
I have cleaned my carpeting with this.
Oh, okay. All right, I think that's it, man. I think we covered everything on this, didn't we?
Because
All right.
if it's damp or wet, it's in this rubber tray. The wheels set in little grooves. It
Yeah.
just sits there.
And that's
This is the one we washed. It's drying. We've got a
Okay.
clean one in there for next time.
so this when you buy it, you get all this stuff
All
included.
of it came with it, yep.
You get 2 of these rollers. You get this little thing to set it in.
And a small container of juice.
Bam.
See, that's where the wheels go.
Oh, okay. And so they just sit there, and that keeps it from rolling forward.
Yep.
Bam, Bob is your uncle. All right, thank you very much. That was an excellent dissertation on the Bissell. You should be an actress.
Yeah, uh-huh.